I have this scroll that I put together in Blender, and it's furling and unfurling and looking fairly nice. And I think it's time to maybe bring this into Unity for good and see what we get. So let's go ahead and pause this. I will export this as an FBX. I am limiting things to the selected objects, and I've got animation checked, and I'm not going to bother with NLA strips or all actions, and I will go ahead and export this. In Unity, I will go ahead and find that item that I've just created. I will drag it into my assets, and then from there, I will drag it into my scene, and well, nothing's there. And that's because in Blender, I never selected anything. I limited my selection to selected objects, but nothing is selected, so there's really nothing to export other than what is basically an empty container. So I'm going to push A and I'm going to select everything. Let's go ahead and we'll export again using the same settings. In Unity, I will go ahead and I will delete the item from my asset folder. We can see it's still in the hierarchy, but it's turned red because, well, there's nothing here for it to reference. We will go ahead and we will replace that with the new version, and there it is. Now, there seems to be a problem though. The scroll is unfurled, and the handles appear to be in the wrong place. So let's go back and take a look in Blender. Well, we can see that when I did this, I simply paused the scene as it was. What I should do is take it back to the opening frame, or whatever frame I desire, and export it that way. So let's do it again with the same settings. Again, in Unity, we will delete the item from the assets folder, and then we'll replace it. Much better. Now, if I push play, we'll see that nothing's actually happened. If I take a look, the animations exist, but it's not animating. We need to put an animator of some type on this. Previously, I did so. I've created these animations and these animation controllers. And what I can do is just select the scroll and attach the animator. And now if we push play, we'll see that it works, but there seems to be a problem. The scroll is unfurling nicely, and the handles are moving, but they seem to be in the wrong position, and they're very limited in how they can move, as if there's some type of a constraint in place. So let's go ahead and we'll stop again. And if we look at the hierarchy, we can see that everything is similar to how it's set up in Blender, but let's just go back and take a look and try something different. I think what I'll do is instead of selecting everything, including the parent object that these items are housed in, I will select just the items themselves, the handles, the scroll, and so forth. And I will go ahead and I will export just those items. One more time in Unity, I will delete the previous version of the object and replace it with the newer version. Hierarchy looks the same. The animator is still attached because we never got rid of this object. But let's just go ahead and push play and see what happens. And we can see that things are working now. This looks pretty decent. However, there is a problem with the handles pushing through the scroll. Now that's an issue that I will deal with probably next. But for the moment, we at least are able to have the scroll working in Unity close to correct.